that came out a little bit snaky, but I'll still take it. Got some good ones on all four sides. Kind of hard to see in this light. Matt the Scrap Whisperer, I hope you don't mind. I'm using the beautiful TIG torch holder for my stick holder, and it works great. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to get in a little bit closer on this weld when I start welding here, but as everybody knows, you know, it's good to bevel the edges, especially on thick metal like this, and we all do that. But one thing that I've started doing more so lately with my stick welding is I'll take the electrode in the torch, and when I apply the weld, I let myself, I heard this on YouTube, feel that groove. And what it does is it causes you to keep a a shorter arc, which is ideal. I mean, I could be up probably a 1/16 to an 1/8 inch, and that's kind of hard to do, but I don't get any problems when I come in here like this. And I just come in, back up, come in, back up, come in, back up, come in, back up until I'm to the edge of the end of the weld. So just kind of watch as I go along with this. I don't know how easy it'll be to see, but we'll try to make a go of getting this on video a little bit. I've told you before, I'm not a welder, but I'm a person who welds. So take tips from me at your own expense. Driving it right in that screw. Oh, that comes out so nice and pretty, doesn't it? Yeah, I wish well, it's not bad. It's a good weld. It's just, I kind of wish I would have gotten it a little bit straighter, so I'm going to put another pass right next to that. Just because. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'll get you down in here a little closer. Okay, here's the weld. It's built up a little high because I did 2 passes, but I got to get better at stopping the bead. Never do that quite right. I need to learn that. But it basically, you see that got a decent weld there, and for what this is going to be doing, it's definitely not going to have to worry about it failing. Okay, next thing is I'm going to take a 1-inch end mill that is end cutting and make sure that hole is precisely in the center. It should be in the center, but hey, why not throw it on the mill and do that last little cut? After that, I can weld the nut on top and then thread the mechanism all together.